The comedian Robin Williams, who took his own life, once said that yeah, everybody is fighting a battle, and you don't know what the battle is, so be kind. So kindness and compassion is paramount to the counselors at Contact. They do a wonderful job, and I feel blessed to be a part of that organization and work with them day in and day out.
Why am I a crisis counselor? I know what it's like to be trapped in the darkness of my own mind. I know what it's like to be obsessed with self-destruction, suicide, self-harm, and addiction. At my darkest moment, when I'd actually started taking action towards suicide, I had someone to call, like at Contact 988. And that person made it easy for me to get help. So I'm alive today because I was able to have someone help me. Since then, I've been through a lot of healing, and so now it's my turn to pay it back and pay it forward. So that's why I'm a 988 crisis counselor with Contact of Mercer County of New Jersey.
Why am I a crisis counselor? Because I have seen and I have experienced and I have felt the mental health crisis. I've seen it in my friends, I've seen it in my family, and I've seen it in my peers. And I know that there aren't enough mental health resources for the people who need them. And I want to be a part of the solution. That's why I'm a counselor at Contact of Mercer County.
Why am I a crisis counselor for Contact of Mercer? I'm a crisis counselor because it's not every day you get the moment to be there for someone when they need it the most. And to simply be there for someone, to listen and support them in their most vulnerable moments is profoundly meaningful to me.
I work for Contact because it is important for me to help provide support to people who are experiencing some of the most vulnerable points in their life. This is important to me because around 3 years ago, I had lost somebody who was very close to me, and at the time, I did not know what to say or I did not know how to support her through her mental health crisis. Now that I work for Contact, I now know how to best support someone, and it means a lot to me to be able to help support others in ways that I was not able to support my friend in the past. It is important for somebody who is experiencing a mental health crisis to reach out to our line because our counselors are equipped to actively listen and provide support and provide resources to every single person, no matter what emotional trauma they may be going through.
I answer the call for Contact because it is an honor and a privilege to save lives.
I answer the call to support people.
I do it so when you're ready to reach out to 988 and get help, someone is there to help you get through it.
I answer the call to provide support.
Nothing has been as rewarding and fulfilling as the work I do for Contact of Mercer County. To know that I have made a difference in someone's life during their time of need is the most fulfilling and satisfying thing you can imagine.
We're part of 988 calls, and we're part of 988 chats and texts. And that is the national suicide prevention number that anyone in the United States can simply dial or chat in with 988lifeline.org or text to 988.